Since this column is power steering, I kept the original housing with the shoes. Got the new kit, the shoes, the spring, and there's a pin that goes in there. You clean them up, you lube them up really good, but it's too short because I put manual steering on the car. So I got this adapter here that will extend it to reach the gearbox. And this retainer here, it helps, well, it doesn't help, it actually keeps this boot retainer in place, because I don't know how many times I've tried to bend these tabs. You bend them, but this retainer still pulls out. So I think this is a very nifty idea right here with this retainer. Of course, the roll pin is already in place right in there, holds this piece, and the spring goes into the hole of the roll pin. So let's put it on. There we go. Installation is very simple. You have this stud plastic retainer there also, well, one right there. The back, it's actually a bolt, goes through. There's a nut welded up on top there, and 3 screws that hold it to the firewall. There. Put the other nut right there. 3 bolts and the last stud down here. You can see here that extends it. This steering column does collapse, so this piece will actually be inside. It's collapsible, so you would have to extend it as far out as you can and kind of try to guide align the knurling with the steering box. Now if you could see that right there. So little wiggling should get it in place. You also want to make sure that your wheels are more or less in a straight position, and your steering wheel, of course, you know, you want it close to where it's going to be right in the center. Otherwise, when you align it, you'll either be turning right or turning left. But that's an adjustment that's easy to do.